In this video, I'll be showing you how to use two-way audio on your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. Now, two-way audio simply means that it allows your camera to take in sound from one end and also you to speak from your phone through the camera to the person on the other end. This allows for easy communication, especially if you're trying to ask a person who's, let's say, for example, at your door, what they're doing. So in order for you to be able to hear the audio coming from the camera, you need to start by opening up the Xiaomi Home app. From here, you're then going to select your camera, and then you're going to tap on the speaker icon that you can see on the dashboard to unmute the camera. That will then allow sound to come from the camera directly to your phone or to your laptop, whatever device it's connected to. Now, if you want whatever you say to be heard on the other end of the camera, you're just going to tap on this microphone icon like so. And then you'll probably be prompted to give the necessary permissions, such as access to the microphone app. So go ahead and give it. And then tap on the microphone icon again. When it glows blue, it now means that you've successfully connected. So now, whenever you speak, if it's currently enabled, the person who's on the other end will be able to hear your words and you'll be able to have a communication with the two-way audio feature. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.